Sebastian wanted to see the snow. Are you gonna come up and look out? Look, Zeus. What's out there? Snow! Yes, the day after St. Patrick's Day, and we get a bunch of snow. Hey, guys. Be nice. Zeus. Zeus. Stop it. My silly dogs. What is out there, Zeus? He's looking out the window, too. Come on. Come here. Hey, Zeus. Zeus. Yes, guys, I'm in my pajamas. I love Eeyore. Give him a kiss. Kiss. Good boy. Sit. Sit. High five. Can I have a high five? Hey. Give me a paw. Okay. Good boy. Give me the other paw. This one. No. This one. No. No. I want this one. This one. No. Not. What is in your mouth? You silly dog. Yay. Good boy. Okay. High five. Okay. Ready? This high five. Not that paw. This one. High five. High five. He's like, I don't know which one, what you want me to do. This one. High five. Give paw. Okay, high five. Yay! No, I don't want both paws in one hand. What are you doing? Are you eating my fingers now? Can I put you down? You silly buddy. You're so silly. Can I have a kiss? Hey, Zeus. Zeusy Poo. Can I have a kiss? No, don't go after my hands. What are you doing? Oh, now he wants to play. Don't worry, guys. I'm not hurting him or anything. He's hurting me more than I'm hurting him. You nipping on my hand? This is not food. I just fed you.